Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and that is Zahoor Sir's math classes. In the previous class we have done some questions regarding the method of using these trigonometric identities in order to reduce the given integrals into their standard forms. So there we are on question number 17, and that is all about integration of sine cube x plus cos cube x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. The given integral is not in the standard form. So by the proper procedure, by proper usage of trigonometric identities, we have to reduce it to the standard form. So this can be written as, since sine square x cos square x is a common denominator of sine cube and cos cube, we will give them separately. So that is integration of sine cube x divided by sine square x into cos square x plus cos cube x divided by sine square x into cos square x whole dx. Now that can be further written as integration of sine cube divided by sine square will give us sine x divided by cos square x. So it is sine x divided by cos square x plus cos cube cos square. So it will give us cos x divided by sine square x into dx. Alright, this can be further written as, बीच में एडिशन है, इंटीग्रल को सेपरेट कर दो. So integration of sine x divided by cos x, this can be written as sine x divided by cos x into 1 divided by cos x dx plus integration of cos x divided by sin x into 1 divided by sin x dx, because sin x into 1 is sin x, cos x into cos x is cos square x, and same is the case for cos x by sin square, and that can be written as, अब ऐसा क्यों किया, because 1 divided by cos x is sec and sin by cos is tan. So it is sec x tan x, which is a standard integral, and that is integration of 1 divided by cos is sec x, sin x by cos is tan x into dx. Plus integration of 1 divided by sin is cosec into cos by sin is cot into dx. So that can be further written as sec x tan x is a standard integral and its integration is sec x. So answer is sec x plus cosec x cot x is a standard integral, its integration is minus cosec x. So minus cosec x plus c, the constant of integration, and the final answer is here, that is sec x plus into minus is minus, so sec x minus cosec x plus c would be nothing but the required antiderivative, the required integral of the function sine cube x plus cos cube x divided by sine square into cos square, which was not in the standard form, but with the proper procedure we have reduced it to the standard form, and after that its antiderivative has been obtained. Now move on to the next, and that is question number 18 of the same exercise, that is integration of cos 2x plus sine square, cos 2x plus twice sine square x, twice sine square x divided by, yes, cos square x divided by cos square x into dx. Again an important question regarding the examination point of view. So cos 2x plus twice sine square x divided by cos square x. Since cos 2x is there, cos 2a, it has so many values, so many formulas. Cos square x minus sine square x, 1 minus twice sine square x, twice cos square x minus 1. But since we have twice sine square x as positive term, so we will use cos 2a as 1 minus twice sine square a. Minus twice sine square a plus twice sine square a will cancel out, the remaining result would be there, and that is 1. So that can be written as integration of cos 2a is 1 minus twice sine square a, and that is x, plus twice sine square x divided by cos square x into dx. Because we have used a formula here, and that is cos 2a, which is equal to 1 minus twice sine square a, and that is further equal to integration of minus twice sine square plus twice sine square. The remaining result is 1 divided by cos square x into dx, and that is equal to integration of 1 by cos is obviously sec, so that is sec square x dx, and the integration of sec square, it's a standard integral, and its answer is directly tan x plus c. So tan x plus c would be the required antiderivative of cos 2x plus twice sine square x divided by cos square x. Now move on to the next question, and that is question number 19 of the same exercise. And question number 19 is all about integration of, yes, 1 divided by sin x into cos cube x dx. Is that clear? 1 divided by sin x into cos cube x dx. Again, very important question of this exercise. So since in the denominator we have sin x into cos cube, ये cos square होना चाहिए था, because 1 divided by cos square is sec square, या अगर ये cos square नहीं तो cos raised to power 4 होना चाहिए. तो cos raised to power 4 इसे बना सकते हैं कैसे? cos को डिवाइड भी कर देंगे यहाँ पे, और cos को यहाँ पे मल्टीपल भी कर देंगे. सो बनेगा cos raised to power 4. cos raised to power 4 को लिख सकते हैं 1 divided by cos raised to power 4 is sec raised to power 4. So sec raised to power 4 can be written as sec square into sec square. फिर दोनों में जो है फॉर्मूला बन सकती है. So that can be written as integration of 1 divided by sin x divided by cos x into cos cube x into cos x is cos raised to power 4x into dx. Because in the denominator we have multiplied with cos x as well as divided with cos x. So cos x, that cos x will cancel out. Remaining result is again 1 divided by sin x into cos cube x. Now that can be written as integration of 1 divided by sin x by cos x, and that is tan x, clear, into 1 divided by cos power 4, and that is sec raised to power 4x into dx. Now that can be further written as integration of 1 divided by tan x into sec raised to power 4 can be written as sec square x into sec square x dx. Right? Now that can be further written as integration of sec square 1 is our sec square. अब sec square को express करेंगे tan में. So 1 plus tan square x divided by tan x into sec square x dx, because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. तो ये वाला sec square theta जो है इसको एक्सप्रेस किया है 1 plus tan square theta में. अब ऐसा क्यों किया? बिकॉज अब न्यूमरेटर में भी tan है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी tan है, और अगर tan को देखा जाए उसका डेरिवेटिव होता है sec square, सो tan x को हम यहां पे पुट कर सकते हैं. So put, because it is derivative is already present in the integrand, so put tan x is equal to t, so that we need dx, means we have to integrate both sides with respect to x. तो tan x का derivative होता है sec square x, and that is equal to dt divided by dx, which further is equal to, yes, separate the variables, we will get sec square x dx must be equal to dt. Therefore हमारा original integral जो है that is integration of 1 plus tan square x divided by tan x into sec square x dx, and that can be written as integration of 1 plus tan x को पुट किया है t, तो tan स्क्वायर आएगा t स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय tan x को पुट किया है t इंटू sec स्क्वायर x dx एंड sec स्क्वायर x dx. यहां पे sec स्क्वायर x dx must be equal to dt. Is that clear? So that is further equal to integration of, अब t कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर है, 1 का अलग से कर दो, t स्क्वायर का अलग से कर दो, तो क्या आएगा 1 divided by t plus t square by t, and that is t whole dt. Now both 1 divided by t as well as t with respect to dt are standard integral, so we will separate the integral, and that is integration of 1 by t dt plus integration of t dt, and that's equal to 1 by t dt is a standard integral, and that's its integration is log of mod of t plus t dt की integration है t square divided by 2 plus c. The given integral, which was not in the standard form but by a proper procedure and by using a trigonometric formula and by using the substitution method, we have reduced it to the standard form, and that is equal to log of mod of. Now put the value of t, because the original integral is in terms of x, so put the value of t, and that is tan x. So log of mod of tan x plus 1 divided by 2 t square means tan square x plus c would be the required antiderivative of a given function, and that is 1 divided by sin x into cos cube x. Now move on to the next, and that is question number 20 of the same exercise. Very much important exercise this one is regarding the examination point of view. One or more than one, or rather I can see two or more than two questions can be asked from the exercise. So that is question number 20, and that is equal to integration of cos 2x divided by cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square, cos x plus sin x whole square into dx. Again in the numerator we have cos 2a. So cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, 1 minus twice sin square a, twice cos square a minus 1, 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. But we have to use that very formula, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में cos भी है sin भी है, इसलिए cos 2x की ऐसी फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे जिसमें cos भी हो sin भी हो. अब cos 2a किसके बराबर होता है, cos square a minus sin square a. So पहली फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, that is integration of cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square into dx, because we have used a formula, and that is cos 2a, which is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, and that is further equal to integration of, yes, cos square x minus sin square x, treat cos x as a, sin x as b, so it is a formula a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, so that is cos x minus sin x divided by, cos x a minus sin x into cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square into dx. Can be further written as integration of, डिनोमिनेटर में cos x plus sin x का होल स्क्वायर है, मतलब 2 बार मल्टीपल, और cos x plus sin x न्यूमरेटर में 1 बार मल्टीपल है, तो 1 बार और 1 बार कैंसिल होके क्या बचेगा, cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. Now that can be further written as, look on sin x, it is derivative is cos x, look on cos x, it is derivative is minus sin x. So अगर हम cos x plus sin x को ट्रीट करेंगे as f of x, cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x, so ये बनेगा f dash of x, means f dash of x divided by f of x dx, a standard result, and its value is directly equal to log of mod of f of x plus c. So that is equal to log of mod of, what is f of x, cos x plus sin x plus c, because integration of f dash x divided by f of x dx is directly equal to log of mod of f of x plus c, the constant of integration. So log of mod of cos x plus sin x plus c would be the required antiderivative of cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. Now move on to the next, and that is 21st of this exercise. Question number 21st. And question number 21 is all about integration of sine inverse of cos x. Sine inverse of cos x into dx. Again an important question. Very much simple but got an immense importance. Sine inverse of cos x. अगर बाहर होता cos inverse, अंदर था रियल नंबर दैट इज cos, तो cos इनवर्स और cos बन जाती है आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन इन द रेस्ट्रिक्टेड डोमेन. पढ़ा है हमने इनवर्स ट्राइगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस में. सो बाहर होना चाहिए था cos इनवर्स और cos बन जाती है आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन. हमारे पास सिर्फ बच जाता x, और जो फिर स्टैंडर्ड इंटीग्रल बनता और जिसका हम एंटी डेरिवेटिव इजीली कैलकुलेट करते. लेकिन बाहर क्या है, साइन इनवर्स. होना चाहिए cos इनवर्स, तो साइन इनवर्स का कन्वर्शन कर देंगे cos इनवर्स में. सिंस वी नो दैट sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. We have proved this theorem in inverse trigonometric functions, and that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi divided by 2. तो इसमें हम निकालेंगे sin inverse of x. किसके बराबर आएगा, pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. So sin inverse of x किसके बराबर होता है, sin inverse of ये cos x जो है, सपोज इसको हम ट्रीट करेंगे बाय एज कैपिटल X. सो sin इनवर्स ऑफ x किसके बराबर होगा, पाई बाय 2 माइनस cos इनवर्स x, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ पाई डिवाइडेड बाय 2 माइनस cos इनवर्स ऑफ, इंस्टेड ऑफ x व्हाट वी हैव, cos x whole dx. सो बाय द यूजेज ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज ऑफ रीजन, ये वाला यहां पे पुट कर दोगे, because sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x minus 1 is less or equal to x is less or equal to 1, because that is the domain of sin inverse x. So that can be written as, अब बीच में माइनस है तो इंटीग्रल को सेपरेट कर दो. इंटीग्रल सेपरेट होके पाई बाय 2 जो कांस्टेंट है इंटीग्रल में से बाहर आएगा, सो पाई बाय 2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos इनवर्स, और cos बनेगी आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन, बचेगा क्या, x dx. Is that clear? So that is equal to pi divided by 2 is constant, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 dx is obviously x, माइनस x की इंटीग्रेशन है x square divided by 2 plus c, the constant of integration. So the required antiderivative must be equal to pi by 2x minus x square divided by 2 plus c, because by the proper usage of a formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi divided by 2. Now move on to the next question, and that is question number 22, and that is integration of 1 divided by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx. 1 divided by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Very important question of this exercise. Frequently has been asked in the examinations, so you must have the full attention on this question. It's very much got an immense importance, asked everywhere in your every year in your examinations. So it is integration of 1 divided by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. You cannot use the formula directly, trigonometric formula, neither you can solve it by substitution method directly. So क्या करेंगे, चूंकि हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में cos है, कॉस का डेरिवेटिव होता है माइनस साइन। माइनस की बात छोड़ो, माइनस तो ले सकते हैं, लेकिन न्यूमरेटर में हमारे पास साइन होना चाहिए। तो हम कोशिश करेंगे न्यूमरेटर में इंट्रोड्यूस करना साइन। तो कैसे आएगा? कैन बी रिटन एज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ, ये हम ऐसे लिखेंगे साइन ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए, एक्स माइनस ए भी आना चाहिए, एक्स माइनस बी भी आना चाहिए। सो साइन ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए माइनस टाइम्स एक्स माइनस बी divided by the same thing, and that is cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Now look here, अगर हम विद इन द ब्रेसेस देखेंगे तो क्या है? x माइनस ए, माइनस से मल्टीपल कर दो, माइनस एक्स प्लस बी। अब प्लस एक्स माइनस एक्स कैंसिल होगा तो बचेगा माइनस ए प्लस बी, मतलब b माइनस ए। सो टोटल में क्या आएगा? साइन ऑफ b माइनस ए। वी आर इंटीग्रेटिंग विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x, सो साइन ऑफ b माइनस ए विल एक्ट एज अ कांस्टेंट। तो कांस्टेंट को यहां पे मल्टीपल किया, कांस्टेंट को बाहर डिवाइड भी कर देंगे, साइन ऑफ b माइनस ए। इज दैट क्लियर? Constant minus plus x minus x will cancel out. There will remain sin of b minus a. Sin of b minus a will be treated as a constant because we are integrating with respect to x, right? The element of integration is there, and that is dx. The variable of integration is x. So sin of b minus a is a constant. तो constant से multiple भी किया, constant से divide भी कर दिया. Now this can be further written as, this can be written as 1 divided by sin of b minus a into integration of, treat x minus a as a and x minus b as b. So बन गई फॉर्मूला sin of a minus b, a b फॉर्मूला sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So it is sin a, that is sin of x minus a, cos b, that is cos of x minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a, that is cos of x minus a, into sin b, so sin of x minus b, divided by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx. यहां पे नहीं आएगा, so you can consider it because हमने यहां पे फॉर्मूला यूज किया है, दैट इज साइन ऑफ a माइनस b बाई दिस डिफरेंस फॉर्मूला, एंड दैट इज डायरेक्टली इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ a माइनस, सॉरी, दैट इज इक्वल टू साइन a cos b माइनस cos a sin b, and that is further equal to 1 divided by sin of b minus a into integration of. अब अलग अलग से डिवाइड कर दो, कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर है, तो जब sin of x minus a cos of x minus b का डिवाइड करोगे, cos of x minus a cos of x minus b, तो cos of x minus b cos of x minus b will cancel out. रिजल्ट क्या रहेगा? sin of x minus a divided by cos of x minus a, साथ में इंटीग्रल को सेपरेट भी कर दो, तो dx माइनस टाइम्स इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos of x minus a sin of x minus b, तो cos of x minus a cos of x minus b कैंसिल होगा, बचेगा क्या? sin of x minus b, so sin of x minus b divided by cos of x minus b, so cos of x minus b into dx, right? This can be further written as 1 divided by sin of b minus a होल मल्टीपल है इंटू, अब अगर डिनोमिनेटर को देखेंगे cos of x minus a, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? माइनस साइन, तो यहां पे इंट्रोड्यूस कर देंगे माइनस और बाहर भी मल्टीपल करेंगे माइनस। इज दैट क्लियर? सिमिलरली cos of x minus b का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? माइनस साइन, तो यहां पे माइनस लेके आएंगे, बाहर का माइनस से प्लस बनेगा जब बाहर भी माइनस लेके आएंगे। So that is 1 divided by sin of b minus a. अब treat cos of x minus a as f of x, तो obviously this is f dash of x. Treat cos of x minus b as f of x, this is obviously as f dash of x. So this is the standard result. f dash x divided by f of x dx, and that is directly equal to minus times log of mod of cos of x minus a plus again integration of f dash x divided by f of x dx, again a standard result, and its integration is log of mod of f of x. So that is log of mod of cos of x minus b plus c, the constant of integration, और बाहर multiply 1 divided by sin of b minus a. This can be further written as This can be further written as 1 divided by sine of b minus a into, now treat this as m, this cos mod of this, and this as n. So log m minus log n, that is log of m divided by n. So log of mod of, what is m? Cos of x minus b divided by cos of x minus a plus c would be the required antiderivative of the most important question of this exercise, and that is 1 divided by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. All about 22. Move on to 23, and that is integration of sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x. So sin square x into cos square x dx. Very much simple question of this exercise, and that is sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now sin square x into cos square x is a common denominator, तो अलग से कर दो. sin square कैंसिल होके बचेगा 1 by cos square which is sec square, और cos square कैंसिल होके बचेगा cos 1 divided by sin square, that is cosec square. So sec square x minus cosec square x, sec square भी standard integral है, cosec square भी standard integral है, so you can do it quite easily. Now move on to the next, the last question of this exercise, and that is integration of e power x into 1 plus x divided by cos square of e power x into x dx. Very much important question again. e power x into 1 plus x divided by cos square of e power x into x. अब cos square के एंगल में जो टर्म है वो है e power x into x. अगर इसको पुट कर देंगे तो वहां पे दो फंक्शंस है, फिर अगर इसकी डिफरेंशिएशन कर देंगे तो प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई होगा. e पावर x ऐसे ही रहेगा, x का 1, तो e पावर x ही आएगा, प्लस x ऐसे ही रहेगा, e पावर x का e पावर x, फिर e पावर x जब कॉमन आएगा तो बचेगा e पावर x into 1 plus x. मतलब अगर इस चीज को पुट करेंगे तो इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है, तो ऑब्वियसली वी कैन यूज द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो पुट e power x into x is equal to some variable t, so that since we need dx, so we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So दो फंक्शंस है, प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई होगा. e पावर x ऐसे ही रहेगा, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 प्लस x ऐसे ही रहेगा, e पावर x का डेरिवेटिव e पावर x, और t का डेरिवेटिव dt अपॉन dx. कैन बी फर्दर रिटन एज इंप्लाइज e पावर x इसमें भी, e पावर x इसमें भी, तो e पावर x को कॉमन लेके आओ, क्या बचेगा 1 प्लस x. सो 1 प्लस x, साथ में वेरिएबल्स को भी सेपरेट कर दो, सो dx मस्ट बी इक्वल टू dt. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस कैन बी फर्दर रिटन एज देयरफॉर हमारा ओरिजिनल इंटीग्रल जो है दैट इज e पावर x into 1 plus x dx. e पावर x into 1 plus x dx का वैल्यू है dt डिवाइडेड बाय cos square of, so cos square of e power x into x, e power x into x को पुट किया है t, and that is equal to integration of 1 divided by cos square, that is sec square t dt. Now sec square t dt is a standard integral and its integration is directly equal to tan t plus c, and that is equal to tan. Now put the value of t, what is that? E power x into x, so tan of e power x into x plus c would be the required antiderivative of a function e power x into 1 plus x divided by cos square of e power x into x dx. So according to the question option B, it was an objective type question, multiple choice question. So according to the question option B is the correct option, that is tan of e power x into x plus c. So all about the most important exercise of this indefinite integration, and that is integration using trigonometric identities. Now in the subsequent classes we are going to handle the questions again which are based on the substitution method, but that we will discuss in the next class.